presenting a pre-owned 2016 Volvo XC90. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter I4 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Volvo has less than 87,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.